practice. I want you to be participative.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, how many of you really came out with an interest of learning English and speaking English?
Ma'am, both.
Both. Just type your name. Okay. Only one student? One candidate?
I also.
Okay. Okay, you also came.
Yes,
Now, what is actually you're finding difficult in English? What do you find difficult in English?
While speaking.
Speaking.
Sentence framing.
Sentence framing. Okay.
Speaking on the spot.
Speaking on the spot. Okay. So I want everyone to answer, only not 2 or 3.
Yeah. Please,
Then-
everyone participate, everyone answer so that it becomes an interesting session. Ria, Ravi, yeah, we have a couple of new people as well. I think Geet, she's joining us for the first time. So
No
please-
problem, no problem.
Yeah, that's what.
Talking.
You have?
Can you
Yes.
repeat that again, Aditya?
Over my fear in talking.
Fear problem. Yes. See, most of us, we have that problem. Right? The reason why we are afraid to speak English. Fear is something worse than corona, let me tell you. You must keep it away. Language is a beautiful thing like a flower. Any language, let it be a mother tongue, let it be English language, let it be any language. Any language is something very, very beautiful. Yeah, I'm very, very proud that you people are interested in learning a language and developing yourself. Right? It is not difficult to learn English language at all. But what makes you improve is, first, it is your listening skills. First, you must listen more. How did you learn your mother tongue? How did you learn your mother? Yes?
By listening and writing and reading.
Reading. Reading and writing, it came later. But since you were in your mother's womb, right? Since you were in your mother's stomach, your womb, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Since then, you've been listening to your mother tongue language, and that has come into practice. It has settled in your mind and it has come into practice. And today you're able to speak it excellently and wonderfully according to your area, according to the place where you're living. You're able to speak whether it is Hindi or Punjabi or Gujarati or whatever language. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Correct. Listening is very important. Wonderful answer. Right? So you start listening more. Best idea I would tell you is, see, not that everyone understands every word. Right? Everyone does. Even I don't understand many of the words. I look into the dictionary. Okay. Now, first thing to learn a language, you have to keep away the fear complex. Fear is worse than corona. Let me tell you what I tell my students, I'm telling you. Learning a language is something what you have been gifted. It is like learning music. Chordo. If somebody is giving an opportunity to talk, even if it is wrong, koi baat nahi. First speak. You can always correct yourself. Learning has no end at all. Age is not a big deal. It is not a problem at all. I am in Gujarat. Basically, I am from Tamil Nadu, South India. But now I am at Daman. Okay. I didn't know Hindi. But having come to Daman, it was definitely very, very, very important for me to learn some Hindi. Then only I could talk to the people. Otherwise, how will I survive? Correct? How will I lead my life? Yes or no? You first try to speak, later you can correct the language. You need not speak like great this thing.
Especially for
You're not from Britain, you're not from America, you're not from, 80% of the people in America, they don't know English. Please understand. Because people in America, they're all settlers from other countries, people from Africa, people from India, people from the other countries, African countries,
Australian countries.
Australia. People never know English at all. They have their own. That is why there came a style called American English. You just tell me, how many people in India can speak very great English? Tell me. Everyone is not a person like Sashi Tharoor or Sunil Gavaskar to give a wonderful commentary, or a person like Navajit Singh Sidhu who's giving wonderful poetic commentary. Right? The people who give commentary in Hindi, they don't know English. They can understand English. Right? Are you
Yes.
understanding that language or not?
Ma'am, I understand this language, but I just think this sentence I'm saying wrong or not.
Yes. Why? You need not have that fear at all. First speak.
Yeah,
If
ma'am.
you have fear, you cannot. See, when you're having fever, doctor is giving you some tablet. If you feel, oh, if I take this tablet, that will happen or this will happen. First, आपका problem क्या है? You have fever. Whatever दवा भी दे दिया, doctor भी दे दिया है ना? You have to take it.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
only first you will be okay. Only if you're okay, you can work. You know? You have to first take the tablet. What is the tablet here for learning English? First speak. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. First speak. कोई बात नहीं. Who is going to tell anything? Let me tell you. If the other person thinks that he is speaking wrong English, छोड़ दो. कोई बात नहीं. But you're trying. That trying is a wonderful effort. Right? The
Yes, ma'am.
first step, what you're trying to do is, you're trying to speak. That itself is a good effort. Right? When you try to speak, you can correct your words. For example, you're trying to speak small words. You don't know whether you have to use an L in that, you want to use a T in that, you want to use a D in that. Pronunciation, sometimes it may change, it may vary. Whether my pronunciation is correct or not, koi baat nahi. That's not a problem. What is first the word? Let me know. Once you know the meaning of the word, you know the word, you know how to use it, then you will know which tense you are using, right? You will definitely know basic form of action words, that is the verbs. Verbs are action words. Okay, there are 8 parts of speech. Out of this, the noun and the verb are very important. What is the noun? The name, place, animal, thing we used to play in school days, na?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
many of you have played? Name, place, animal, thing. Respond to me in chat. How many of you have played? Yes, name, place, animal, thing. How many of you have played?
I've played.
Yeah, just type. Just type. Let me see how many of your names are coming here. Yeah. Then only one. Ah, I played, ma'am. Okay. Then Aditya Singh. Then yeah.
I am also play.
Okay. Type it. Type it. Let me know. Okay. Yes. No. Superb. Ah. Okay. Manasvi. Yes. Priyani Agrawal. Yes. No. Dr. Megha Sharma. Wonderful. Ah. Yes. Ashish Shukla. Yeah. Get me, yes. All of you have played, yes. So many of you. Yes. You have played name, place, animal, thing, right? These are nothing but nouns. Name of a person, place, animal, thing. Nothing but nouns. You have already known, but you didn't know what grammar it is. That's it.
Yes.
Correct? You have not known. You have played even during your young age. Correct?
Yes.
Childhood days you have played, but you have known what is that grammar. That is it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Exactly.
Yeah. Singh. Gurvinder Singh sir has played, yes. Right? So you have known what is a noun, verb, name of a person, place, animal, thing. Now I am giving a technical term in grammar. These are called nouns. These are called
No.
nouns. Name of a person, place, animal, and thing. It is called noun.
No.
Now you have understood what is a noun. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct?
Yes.
You have understood. So what you have played, you did not know the name of the game, but it is nothing but
No.
nouns. How many of you have done all actions? What are the actions you have done in your childhood? What actions you have done in your childhood? Whatever actions you have done in your childhood. Even after growing, what are the actions you have done? Have you played?
Play, and study.
You write the verbs. You type the verbs. You type the actions, what you have done. All of you. You type the action verbs. Whatever action you have done. Yes, fighting, dancing, yeah. Singing, reading, playing, yes. Some more. Sketching, wonderful, cry, play, speak, listen, looking, then, yes. Yes. Sketching, drawing, wonderful, sleeping, wonderful, very good. Dancing, walking, yes. Then eating, wonderful, writing, learning, action words, studying, STUDYING, thinking, sleeping, traveling, cycling, yes. What actions? Yeah, catching, come across, standing, driving, superb, beating, wonderful. What other action you have done? Even now what you are doing, right? Yeah, teaching, superb. Biting, okay, speaking. Even now whatever, learning, yeah, wonderful. Throwing, yeah. Then writing, yeah. Then catching, superb, right. Yes, riding, wonderful. Yes, you're all correct. Now, all these actions I have not done, you have done. Whatever actions you have done, you have typed to me, right? Forgetting, yeah, that's also. Everything is an action, right? You have done. So all these actions, what you have done, it is a verb. Any action word is called a verb, right? Action words, they are called verbs. Are you able to come?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have written the word, I have not written. Whatever action you have done, crying, smiling, laughing, playing, all this, whatever action you do, right? They're all action words. They are called as verbs, right? Now, each verb, when you are using, It is used in the past tense, present tense, future tense. Past tense is action, what has happened. Present tense is action, what is happening. Future tense is what will happen. Gardening, yeah, wonderful. Dhirmendra Singh sir has written, yeah, wonderful. Gardening. Yes, everything is an action. Right? Now we understand what is a verb, right? You dream. Dreaming is also an action. Everything is an action, right? So now, itna verbs you have written. Do you know the meaning of all these words? Do you know the meaning of all these words? Cooking, yeah, superb. Generally what mothers do at home, cooking, yeah. Now you know the meaning of all these words? Washing, yeah, definitely. Washing. Everything is done. Now, itna words ka meaning, do you know? How many of you know the meaning of all these words? Drinking, yes. So many action words. Scolding, yes. So how many words you know? All these are action words. Giving water to plant, that is, yeah, watering. That is called watering. Eating, thinking, yes. Definitely. So how many verbs you know? And all these words, do you know the meaning or not? Now you answer me, yes or no? For all these words, do you know the meaning or not?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
many of, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Now, so many action words, you know the meaning. Now, do you say that, do you know, don't know English?
Ma'am, but like as we are communicating like with people now, so at that time we try
First,
to.
do you know these words or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Feeding,
Yes,
right?
yes, ma'am.
See, basic verbs, you know the basic nouns, name, place, animal, thing, you know. What you need to know, you know, how you first get out of your fear. I don't know English. Why though it is a fear complex, right? Why
Yes,
should you fear? Your fear is making you not learn a language. Yes or no? Now you agree?
yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I did not give all these verbs. You only gave. All these words were given by you. I asked you the verbs. You gave. I have not given. Even I don't know so many words. You have given all the words. Action verbs you have given. When you know so many words, now what is the problem? Aapka fear complex. Yes? Yes or no? You are having a fear of how to talk, how to read, how to write. Right? First, keep away that fear. Language is not a difficult task at all. If I want to learn Hindi, if I want to learn Gujarati, if I want to learn Punjabi, if I want to learn Bengali, if I want to learn Malayalam, if I have fear, can I do? Please tell me. Can I do?
Ma'am.
Example, Sonia Gandhi was one person who came from London. Okay, she's come to India and look at the way she speaks English. Hindi, first of all, how well she has learned Hindi and how well she speaks. Now she's reaching to all the people over India. Yes or no? Yes or no? A foreigner having come to India, she is speaking. How many people who don't know the other languages, but they are still speaking, right? No, when you're watching the cricket commentary, how many of you watch cricket? How many of you watch cricket? Type, type, type. Yeah, please type. How many of you watch cricket? Yes, Manasvi watches. Okay, oh, so many people. Yeah. Yes. Now you know, all of you know what is a bat, what is a ball. Now you know what is a ground. Okay, you know who is a wicket keeper, right? You know who is a batsman, you know who is a bowler. Wicket keeper, batsman, bowler, ground. All these are nouns only. What will they do in the ground? What will they do in the ground? What will they do in the ground? All the players play. So action word they are doing, right? So play is a verb. Now I asked you so many verbs. You gave me so many verbs, right? What do they do in the ground? They play, right? They play. So you know the noun, you know the verb. Now how to frame sentence? What are they doing? They are playing. You should know the difference between if the action is taking place now, this is called present tense. If the action is taking place now, it is called present tense. If the action is taking place, it has already been done. Action bhi khatam ho gaya. Right? Why to it is past tense. It is past tense. Action, what is going to take place? Future. That is future tense. Past tense, present tense, future tense. Now each verb, itna action verbs, what tense you use? Why to both important. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? So what you did? Past tense. Now what you are doing? Present tense. Future, what you are going to do? Future tense. Each verb, action word, how do you use the word? For example, I will tell you one word. I will tell you one easy word. Walk. I'll give you one easy word. W-A-L-K, walk. वही तो verb है. It is an action word. Right? This is in the present tense. Yes. Now past tense क्या है? Past tense, walked. Future tense क्या है? Future tense. Future tense. It will come. Will walk. Will walk. Yes. It is will walk. Talk. I give you another word. Yeah. Not will walked. It will not be will walked. It is will walk. Will walked is wrong. Aditya, your sentence is wrong. Word is wrong. Will walk. Why to future tense. Okay. Will walked. Because when you use ed, it is past tense. Past tense. Ed is past tense. Okay. And all past tense word will not have ed. All past tense word will not have ed. Some people, some words will have only d. Some words will have ed. Some words will have t. Okay. Some words will have only d. Okay. Are you clear? For example, I'm giving you one word, keep. Keep. Past tense क्या है? Past tense of work. Wonderful. That's great. Manasvi Aditya, it is kept. Now, these two verbs, yes, exactly. Now, we will find one sentence. We'll take the verb walk. We will find one sentence. Okay, in the present tense. Okay, present tense. I walk daily. I walk daily. It is a regular action. I walk daily. or you need not write. I walk. With 2 words, you're getting a sentence. I walk. What do you do? I walk. Okay. I sleep. I sleep. Yes. I watch. Yes. Wonderful. Yeah. Now you write word sentence. Yeah. Some more. You can use I is singular. We is plural. What is plural? I is for only one person. You. Only one person. When you are writing we, more than one, it is we. If there are 2 people or more than 2 people, you use we. For example, we read. Okay. We eat. Yeah, we learn. What are you doing? We learn English. We learn English. Simple. Yeah, we run. We run. Wait, this is all present. Okay. We eat. We dance. We learn. We write. Yes. With 2 words, now we are able to singular and plural. I is singular, we is plural. We eat food. Very good. Now you are writing the sentences. I am not writing. That's great. We eat. So singular and plural. I is singular, we is plural. Singular matlab, you are talking only about you. Are you clear? I is singular. Yes. We is plural. Plural means more than one. More than one. If there are 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, even 50 people, I is singular and we is plural. Clear? Any doubts? We play together. Excellent. Wonderful. Aditya has written. Yeah. Yes. So one person you say I. Right? When do you use we? More than one person. Plural. So you know what is first person. I mean, you know I, singular, then plural, we. You know now what is the action word. Right? Itna action words. Now you know to write. Right? So, present tense ka, you know how to write the verbs. Right? Now you know what is a verb. Now, past tense when you write, when you're writing the past tense, you know, walked, you wrote. Okay. I walked. I walked. Yes. I slept. Okay. I slept. You should not write sleeped. There is no word in English called sleeped. It is wrong. SLEEPED is wrong. It is wrong. No. RED, red is color. Okay. READ. I read. I ran. Past tense. All this is past tense. I wrote. Correct. READ, read. If you write RED, red, it is color. Red. Spelling is the same. READ, red. Past tense. Okay. Sang is correct. Even in the present tense, you will write I read. I will read. Future tense. I walked. Wonderfully. So, if you're writing in plural, how will you write? We brought books. Brought. What is the present tense? Bring, brought. I will run. Future tense. Yes, wonderful. If you're going to write in future, future tense क्या है? Future, I will eat. I will read. I will eat. We will eat. We will eat. We will eat. Definitely. Right? Now, there is a difference between shall and will. I will tell you later. Okay, first we will know how to use the verbs. Okay, I will watch. Wonderful. There is a difference between will and shall. We will not go into details now. First, now what is happening now is present tense. Now what? Yeah, I will dance. Future tense. I shall know. There is a difference between I will know, I shall know. दोनों को difference भी है. I will give you the meaning later. I will study. All this is using will. What tense it is? What tense it is? What tense? Wait, oh, all this is future tense. Future tense. I shall take. Okay. This is all future tense. Now, itna verbs ka action. Yeah, I shall sing. Yes. Everything. Okay. I is singular and we is plural. We will learn. Okay. We will learn. Learn. Now, itna action words. You have come across verbs. Now, you know what is the past tense? I will go. Definitely. Now, you have understood what is past tense. You have understood what is present tense, future tense. Yes? What is future tense? What is going to happen? Okay? Future. Say what is going to happen. I will do. Yes. I will go to the bank. Okay? I will cook. Okay, we will eat. We will learn. Wait, so it's all future action. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? What are you doing now? Present action. I am learning. I am learning. Right? We are learning. I ka plural. Yeah, we are learning. We are learning English. Wonderful. So, ek sentence you have written. Right? I am writing and learning. Aditya, learning. Yes. Writing and learning. Now, what you are trying to do? So, each word when you are writing, itna verbs you have written. No problem. Itna words you have written. Right? We are going. Right? Now, we are listening to you, ma'am. Yes, action word. We are. When you write we, you will get are. When you are writing I, you will get am. Yes? Now, this is all first person. I is singular. I is singular. Clear? I singular. Singular matlab, it is singular. And we is plural. Clear? We is plural. Clear? Yes? Yes, we are reading. I matlab singular, we is plural. Any doubt in this? Clear now? Now you have understood what is a noun, what is a verb. Noun and verb, you are clear. Singular kya hai? Plural kya hai? First person singular. Now you are talking about the person. Now you are talking to somebody. You are talking to somebody. Yes?
मैम मैम मैंने सुना है कि ना आई प्लूरल होता है मतलब
I is not plural. I is not plural. I is singular. एक ही person है ना? I is singular, we is plural. आप एक ही person है ना?
यस मैम बट
Yes. I am listening.
सेंटेंस तो ये मैंने बहुत सारे उसमें देखा कि आई वर ईटिंग
No, I was eating. I will tell you. I was eating. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I was eating. I will tell you how to use we, was, and were. Okay, I was eating. We will come to that later. First, let us frame the small sentences. Then I will tell you how to use the helping verbs, and we will go to that later. Okay, now you are writing, right? Now, you are writing a sentence, singular and plural. Okay, these sentences, when you're writing, second person kya hai? You're having a doubt with something. The person to whom you're talking, that second person, that is called you. It comes in both singular and you. Singular and plural. Singular and plural. Now you are talking only to one person, right? Suppose I'm talking only to Varsha. Varsha, you have given reply. Your reply is correct. You speak very well. You, एक ही person. I'm talking only to Varsha. Now class में इतने students are there. You are learning English. So both singular and plural, what will you write? You. Singular and plural, दोनों के, you will write you. Clear? Any doubt? Singular and plural. You told me, ma'am, singular. You are listening. You means the full class is listening. Second person. So dono singular and plural, you will write only you. Right? Now this changes in Hindi grammar. This changes in Sanskrit grammar. So yeah, you are eating. What are you doing? You are listening. You are eating. You are reading. Right? You are watching TV. You are running. Second person. You are writing neatly. You are speaking. Correct? So when you are writing you, both for singular and plural, you will get both for singular and plural. It might be one person, it might be two persons. Singular and plural, you will get only ARER. Are you clear? Yes? Let it be for one person. Let it be for so many people. You will get only ARER. You are listening. I'm talking to Dr. Megha Sharma. Okay? You are jumping. Dr. Megha Sharma, you are listening.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
talking only to one person.
Yes, ma'am.
You are listening. एक ही person I'm telling.
Exactly, ma'am.
When you are writing, you are killing. You are killing. Okay? For singular and plural, whatever you are using. Okay? You write only you. Okay? Dr. Megha Sharma, you are jumping. Okay? The students of my class are listening. Students matlab plural bhi hota hai. There are so many students. There are two. Yeah, you are not doing. Yes. You are not doing. You are not learning. You are not speaking. Okay? It might come to one student. It might come to so many students. Suppose there are 3 children at home. Mom is telling, you are not eating food. It might be for one child. It might be all for all the 3 children. You are not dancing. Yes, plural. Clear? Any doubt? Singular or plural? Yes? A first person I, we, plural. Okay. Now second person, you. You will come for both singular and plural. Okay. Third person, some other person we are talking about. दूसरों. Now, I spoke about myself, first person. Second person, you. I spoke about you. Now I'm talking about some other person. दूसरों. Some third party. Okay, what are they doing? They are playing. They are playing. Playing. Okay, plural. They is a word for plural. Singular. If you want to write in singular, he is playing. Yes, they are going. Okay, why so it is plural? He is playing. She is playing. She is playing. All that is third person. He is eating. She is eating. Yes, all this is, he is dancing, singular. He or she, it is singular. Okay, he, she. Okay, and you're writing about it. All singular. Clear? Yeah, it is working. Is the machine working? Yes, it is working. Is the TV working? Yes, it is working. Is the dog eating? Yes, it is eating. He, she, it, everything is singular. Are you clear? Yes, it is singular. What is mom doing? She is cooking. She is cooking. What is your brother doing? He is working. Is the remote working? Yes, it is working. Yes, it is working. What is mom doing? She is eating. What is your son doing? He is dancing. What is your brother doing? He is playing. What is your sister doing? She is playing. What is your friend doing? He is coming. Clear? Singular. He, she. You're talking about object, it is it. Object or animal. You use it. Are you clear? Yes? Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You use an object or an animal, you use it. How is the pen? It is good. How is the gift? It is wonderful. Clear? It. IT it. How is the dog? It is fine. How is the peacock? It is a beautiful bird. It is a beautiful bird. You don't say she is a beautiful bird or he is a beautiful bird. Okay? Object, it is excellent. How is the greeting card? It is excellent. It is a good session. Right? So, do you understand how to use it, he, she now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Yes? Plural, you. Singular and plural? Yes? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
They. They is plural. Right? They is plural. That is third person. Now, third person plural is third person. You're talking about some other person. Plural. Right? He, she, it is third person singular. He, she, and all we talked. It is all singular. Now, third person plural. They, them, those, these, these. Okay? I spoke to them. I spoke to them. That third party I spoke. Okay? Okay? Yeah. They came. They came. They came home. Third party. They came home. Yes. This person is so beautiful. Correct? Wonderful. You are writing the sentences now. This person is so beautiful. Right? Third person. Which person is beautiful? This person. Somebody in the photograph or somebody near you. Okay. Those students are shouting. Those students are shouting. Yes, they went home. Those students are shouting. Are you clear? You're talking about somebody else. They went home. Who went? Somebody there. They went home. Right? It is third person. I gave it to them. You gave it to them. You gave your pen to them. Yes. You gave these are your pens. Yes. This is all third person. Okay. You gave your pen to them. These are your pens. This is something very near to you. This is closer. This meaning closer. Things that are closer. Okay. When you write those, that is far away. Those matlab, it is at a distance. That is his book. Yes. That is his book. Correct. Aditya, it is correct. These are my books. Those are his friends. Those are his friends. Those are, yes, those are our locks. Correct. Are you clear? Those are our locks. So these, those. Plural. पूरा plural है. Singular क्या है? This. This is singular. Singular. Okay? Are you clear? This is singular. These and those. Plural. This is singular. These and those, they are plural. Clear? Okay? This is my pen. You're talking only about one pen. Those are his family. Okay? You should not say families. It is family. Family is one family. Those are his family members. Ashish Shukla. Those are his family members. Those are his families. It has got two different meaning. I'll explain it later. Okay. This is singular. This is my pen. This is my book. This is my class. Okay. These are, you have more than one. Yeah, those are his family members. Correct. Because family members, matlab, it will be more than one. A family is something that is more than one, right? So his family, yes, exactly. This and that singular, these and those plural. Are you clear? Yes? Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts?
I'm just typing it out. Just is this the correct understanding? When I say these or this is nearby, and that and those is like so far things that are far away.
Pardon?
So I've just written on the chat. So if I use this and if I use the word these, so they
Nearby,
signify that
singular and plural.
singular and
That-
plural.
Hmm.
And in
This-
terms of far away,
That is, yeah, that is singular. Something that is far away and those is far away.
yeah, that's okay, great.
Clear now? So basic sentence of singular. First person, you're writing about singular and plural. First person singular, first person plural. I, we. First person singular क्या है? I. Plural क्या है? We. Second person singular and plural क्या है? You. For one person also you say you. More than one person also you say you. Plural. Right? Yes. Now third person, itna differences. Yes, this. Yes. Now you saw. If it is male members, you say he. Okay. Female, she. Right? She. Okay. Second person, you say you. You say you. Right? They. Okay. Yeah. He, she, it. It becomes, it is for object. He, she, and it. Okay. Plural, it comes for they. You're talking about a group. They are playing. Who is playing? They are playing. Plural. They are playing. Okay. Now you have given something to a group. I gave it to them. I gave it to, yeah, they are eating. I gave it to them. Them is plural. Them is plural. He gave it to them. He gave, he spoke to them. You can also write, he spoke to them. She will correct them. She will correct them. They are going to hiking. They are going for hiking. Okay, they are going to hike. Yes, they are going. Now they are going. Okay, future matlab, she will correct them. They will be going for hiking. That is future tense. We will come to tenses later. Okay, plural. They are going for hiking. Are you clear? Any doubts? Any doubts? So first person I, second person, first person का plural क्या है? We. Right? Second person क्या है? Singular and plural you will write you. Third person, this, that, plural, these, those. Right? They are, incorrect them. No, this is wrong sentence. Wait, तो इस sentence का meaning क्या है? What are you trying to say, Aditya? Aditya, इस sentence का meaning क्या है? They are incorrect sentences. They are incorrect information. Okay, they are incorrect information. You can write. Okay, he corrected them. Okay, he corrected them. Them is meant for a group. Them matlab it is told for a group. Yes, they are not incorrect information. Correct. Them is meant for a group. Yes, them is meant for a group. Mom cooked for them. Mom cooked for them. Them is plural. Mom cooked for them. For the family. Yeah. Them meaning for the third person. Group. I'm telling you. Them. It is always called for a group. Clear? Yes? Whom? He bought chocolates for them. Very good. For a group, it might be for family. It might be for friends. A group of people that you write it as them. Okay. They played cricket well. Okay. The referee appreciated them. Okay. The umpire appreciated them. The coach appreciated them. I want to teach them. Exactly. Yes, them it refers to a group. Clear? She is so important in my life, for my life now. I want to meet them. She is so important in my life, for my life now. I want to dance them now. I want to dance. I want to dance for them. Aditya Shukla, I want to dance them now. I want to write them. What do you want to write? I want to write the words. I want to write the lessons. Are you clear? I want to dance for them. I want to write to them. I want to write to them. We know them correctly. We know them. Right? I want to write to them. Yes. Are you clear now? Yes. Now you frame some sentences, simple sentences with the nouns. I mean, with the verbs, what you have, whatever verb you know, you just get ready with the words. We like them. Yes.
Yeah.
You get ready with the words,
But
and we will see in the next class.
I'm just joining in. I was in another meeting. I'm just joining in a moment.
Have you understood any doubts?
नहीं.
Any doubts?
एक किसी और का आया था. I think some lady.
I should give reply to them. They'll have to go to shopping. Yeah.
Maybe yes. Yeah. I'm sorry, I can't recall
Yes?
the name, but yes.
Okay. Now, how do you find the class? Is it interesting? Okay. Are you understanding?
Okay.
Doubt. D-O-U-B-T. Varsha.
Hmm.
D-O-U-B-T. Doubt. Are you clear? So basic verbs, if you learn properly, how to use it in a sentence, your doubts will be clear. Are you clear? Yes? Your doubts will be clear. You can write your English language.
Time लगता है मतलब.
Yes?
कल करते हैं session या Sunday.
The basic foundation of this grammar you should be knowing. So speaking English or writing English is not a problem.
In fact, मैंने उन lady को बताया कि we can have the session at 9:30, so she did not tell me anything.
Okay? They like this. Yes, third person. They like this.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Then instead of
Exactly.
2 days.
Anybody has doubts? Anybody has doubts?
हाँ, 2 घंटे का कर लेंगे कल. Instead of doing 2 days.
Are you clear?
1 hour each.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can do a 2-hour session on Sundays.
Anybody has got doubts? You can just clarify.
Okay, no problem.
Any doubts?
Yeah, to be very honest, maybe I don't know. I have worked with a couple of other.
Okay, Varsha Tiwari. Yes, Ashish Shukla. Manasvi.
Send out a proper agreement. तो समझ आता है ना, agreement होती है एक चीज.
Okay.
ये नहीं होता है कि
I will send you a list of verbs.
format में
Okay. So, what is the verb? Past tense, how to write the present tense, past tense, and the past participle. I'll send it to sir
proper draft,
tomorrow.
and I will sign it
Okay.
from my part, and you will sign it from your part. That's when
Okay.
a proper format
Okay.
will be done. So मैं खुद से ही draft करके भेज दूँगा.
Sir, is it okay for today?
ठीक है. ठीक है.
Is it okay for today?
Yeah.
Okay. ma'am.
So yeah, anything is it okay for you guys to join back tomorrow as well at the same time? And ma'am, is it okay for you as well?
Yeah, I think we can have the session in the afternoon also, sir. That is by about 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock.
Okay,
How do you
so
feel?
tomorrow, guys, you want to take this forward from here. Two options: either this same time, 8:30 onwards, or ma'am is also available at around 3:34 in the afternoon time. Whatever works for you guys. What we can do is, if you want time, you can think about
Not at
it.
3:30 or 4 because I'm having a test at that time.
Okay, so students
3:30.
might have a problem at that time. Okay. Okay, so then, ma'am, let's keep it this time only. I think most of them are free. You know, they are free with all their daytime commitments, and they are more ready to.
Okay, no problem. I
Yeah.
hope they have been convenient with the class, right?
Yes, yes. Everybody has really appreciated this, and I think it really got them
No,
thinking.
that's not a question of appreciation. It is a question of their understanding. That is
Yes,
more
that's what I'm
important.
saying. That they are appreciating because they have understood and they really liked it, and they
Okay.
have the basics in place now. So it will be helpful if we can carry this forward tomorrow at the same time.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
No, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for taking out time and having this session. And
Okay.
then we'll sort of take it forward from here and have the session tomorrow as well. So usually we don't
Okay.
do a session on Sunday, but this is something really important. And just to keep the continuity going, we'll have the session tomorrow. I hope everyone will join back tomorrow as well.
Yes, yes, sir, for sure, for
Yes,
sure.
sir.
Great, great.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sure, sure, sure. Really, really
Okay.
see the response. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so
Have a
much,
good
sir.
night.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
ma'am.
sir.
Take
Good night,
care.
ma'am.
Good
Good
night.
night, sir.
Thank you.